Hello and welcome to Negotiation Skills module. You will learn why do we negotiate, what are the stages of negotiations, and how can you handle a sole vendor negotiation. Finally, we will discuss the total cost of ownership TCO, which is very important when running a project. So in this module, we will discuss the negotiation definition, what are the reasons for negotiation, the 7 stages of negotiation, and negotiation case studies, the sole vendor or sole contract. The criteria of selecting the sole vendor and the challenges faced when negotiating with a sole vendor, what are the negotiations tactics with a sole vendor, and the total cost of ownership to mitigate the risk while working with the sole vendor and all vendors. Finally, we will talk about the free of charge items FOC that the supplier provide for products or services, how to deal with it, and how not to fall into the trap of the free of charge items in the end. So we will have a summary of this module at the end. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.